Hey there guys, so welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple weeks since I posted anything. Really haven't posted much work on the truck because I'm still ordering a lot of parts and figuring out what I want to do. Plus it's summer, kind of want to drive the truck a little bit, as you understand. So what have we done? So we have the garage cleared out, made room for the truck. It does fit, I confirmed that, so we're good to go for the winter. Little stuff that was done. I replaced the shifter knob, which is annoying the shit out of me. If you see it in the old one, you'll be surprised to see that this is the new one. Fit like a glove, no issues there. A little bit of Loctite, and there it is. Beautiful, doesn't move, nothing. Perfect. So we did that. Probably took me, what, 15 minutes to do that. So this is the garage space so far. That's where I keep all the parts I got going for it, and a bunch of stuff that's not ready to go on. And yeah, so we got clearance up there. Hell yeah. Worried about it. And the only other thing I did was I went ahead and installed a new washer pump. Seems to work. I just got to get the lines on. Figure out where up here the squirt lines go, because I'm not really sure. I'm thinking maybe this is one of the bolts. Yeah, there's just nothing down here that's screaming at me. This is where they go. I do have them up here. So these are the washer squirts. Got one tab up here, and then another one down here. And I believe that's the squirt end. No, that's the flared end. So there's the squirt end. Yeah, if anybody's got any ideas or knows where they go, or do I need to drill? I don't want to drill. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, I'll be posting videos as soon as I can. As soon as I can get some real work done on her. It'll probably be another couple weeks till it starts getting colder, and then we'll get the bed off, get the hood off, get her in the garage, and start taking apart stuff I need when I'm driving. Alright, sorry for such a short video guys, wish I had more for you, but we'll be coming with it soon. You all take care, and yeah, thank you, peace.